So I get asked all the time, what's the most important thing when it comes to supplementation for CrossFit? Well, the simple answer is not supplementation. It is food first. Everything that you do starts with a solid foundation. And if you want to have a good, strong foundation to build on, you need to address the food first. In over 10 years of helping thousands of people with supplementation, it has become abundantly clear to me that if you do not start with food, your supplements are only going to do so much. So when we talk about supplementation, I always start with food first. You need to address the food first approach to everything because the supplements can't fix all of your issues, but food can start to address those. So no matter what, before you consider purchasing any supplements at all, you need to address your diet. Start there and then add in supplementation because it is a supplement to a healthy diet. That's exactly where the term came from. It's a supplement to a healthy diet. Now, I'm not the only one with this idea that food first is the best option when it comes to supplementation. CrossFit HQ talks about the nutrition being the most important piece of the hierarchy of development. If you look at the pyramid, on the bottom, it's nutrition. There's no place for supplementation on there, but CrossFit talks about how you can add in supplementation to support your nutrition. So a little caveat to that pyramid would be supplementation into the nutrition to help build a strong foundation. So absolutely, without a shadow of a doubt, the best and most important thing that you can do when trying to add supplements into your routine is address your nutrition first. And we all know what that looks like to dial in your nutrition. And I know that we've heard it before. Eat meat and veggies, nuts and seeds, some fruit, little starch, and no sugar. And if you follow that guideline, then you are on the right path to starting to address adding supplementation into your routine. Couple things you want to start with is you want to address it with a fish oil. That's the only product that CrossFit HQ specifically calls out as a supplement that you should take. Then a good quality multivitamin. And my favorite product to start with for all CrossFitters is creatine. So those three products would be great to start to address the foundation and get on that path to adding more supplementation into your daily routine. If you want to learn more about building a solid foundation with supplements, check out the link in the description for the free CrossFitters Guide to Supplements. So with those three products, those are going to build a solid foundation of supplementation. Just like we talked about with food being the solid foundation that supplementation can go on, now we have a solid foundation of supplements that you can build on before you start adding in specific supplements to hit specific needs like pre-workouts. Everybody wants to jump to a pre-workout, but you got to fix the foundation before you go to a pre-workout. And now I'm not saying that you're not going to get any benefit from adding in supplementation without addressing the foundation first. You probably will still get some benefit, but it will not be the maximum amount of benefit, the optimal benefit that those supplements are supposed to be giving you if you haven't fixed that foundation. So if you want to get your money's worth, no matter what supplement it is you're purchasing, you need to fix the foundation. And that's why I say food first is always the most important thing when it comes to supplementation for CrossFit. I mean, just eat your food. It's not that hard.